Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring a brand new stamp set called Botanical Expressions. This will be an online exclusive, so it won't be in our any catalog. But it is also, you can't get it yet unless you're a demonstrator. So might want to sign up if you want to see all the new things. But I was very lucky and I was able to purchase this ahead of time to share with you. I love the sentiments in this one. And of course, the sentiment that I've chosen for today's design is, I am thankful for you. That is Blackberry Bliss there as the ink. And I am going to put all of the measurements there on the left hand side so that you could recreate this card very easily. And that's all I have to say about that. Moving on, we have a basic white square here. And then I'm coming in with the Moonlight Flora. This is a beautiful paper from Stampin' Up. You can get it now. So, you know, even if you chose a different sentiment, you could still recreate this card design. So again, the sizings there. What I'm trying to do is not adhere my papers straight away. I really want them to not stick. I'm just looking for spacing, and you will see that we'll have to move this little strip of designer series paper because the borders are a little bit off. So anyway, and I'm just using, this is all the Moonlight Flora stamp set, or sorry, designer series paper. It's gorgeous. It's very moody, but it does have those flecks of berry burst in it. And that, speaking of berry burst, that is the color of our card base. So we're moving on to almost the card base. So I do have this little card base, and I do have a little piece of berry burst cardstock in for the sentiment, and you'll just see that in a second. So I'm going to put this on the right hand side, and we are putting this square on the card a little bit cattywampus, but of course you could do what you want. So here's a piece of, and I just chopped it down to my liking, and I'll give you the measurements in that in a second. That's another berry burst, and I just wanted to create some distance between the paper and the sentiment. So I'm using dimensional adhesive on both of them. So this is going to be very popped up, if you know what I'm saying. Now, I really like this. It's like almost a geometric shape, and I really like this design. So once everything is all pressed down, we're coming in with these beautiful adhesive backed blooms. You guys, this also is an online exclusive. Stunning. So they will be available for you next month, and I'm happy to share them with you today. So we have a pink one going on right here, and then I use two white ones on that empty space. So you can see how the whole card is used, but we do have sort of like where your eyes can rest, which I really love that. I'm going to leave links to what I can in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. And I always remind you, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. It's free. You just have to press that subscribe button when you're watching on YouTube. And because I upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you may not know exactly when I will be uploading because I don't even know. So you can click the little bell and it will give you an email when I do upload so that you won't miss anything. And I am pretty religious about that. So anyway, you can see I've designed very simply the inside of my card. And that is my card for today. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.